Welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about how to troubleshoot common issues when implementing and maintaining Prebid with Google Ad Manager. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about low fill rates. If you're getting bids but not enough impressions, here's what you can do. Firstly, check bids against GAM floor prices. Secondly, confirm the correct transmission of the winning bid price. Finally, review and adjust block lists. To combat low fill rates, adjust your GAM floor price, ensure accurate targeting in GAM line items, and consider adding more demand partners or campaigns. Now let's move on to the next issue. Have you noticed big discrepancies in bid numbers or revenue? Let's troubleshoot. Examine the Prebid setup for errors and verify timeout settings in Prebid. To fix this issue, adjust your Prebid timeout settings and remember that minor discrepancies can happen for various reasons. Now on to the next challenge. Are your winning bids not turning into visible ads? Here's what you can do. Confirm the correct setup of Prebid Universal Creative in GAM and check for console errors on the web page. Next, ensure your creative code is set up and approved in GAM, and investigate any issues with the ad itself. Next, high latency causing delays in ad display? Let's troubleshoot. Verify timeout settings and assess the number of demand partners in Prebid. Fix it by adjusting Prebid's timeout settings and consider limiting demand partners. You might also think about moving some SSPs to the Prebid server side. On to the next challenge. Bids not reaching GAM? Let's investigate. Confirm correct usage of query string targeting on GPT ad units after the auction and check matching key values between Prebid and GAM. Fix it by ensuring that targeting parameters match in Prebid and GAM and correcting any JavaScript integration issues. Now let's tackle another common bug. Are specific Prebid related line items in GAM not serving impressions? Let's figure out why. Examine the targeting criteria for those line items and check the priority level and delivery settings of those line items. To fix this, adjust targeting settings or price buckets in GAM and make sure the line items' priority levels are set appropriately. Now let's move on to the next challenge. Are your bids not aligning with the set price granularity? To troubleshoot this issue, review your Prebid price granularity settings. Fix it by adjusting the price granularity in prebid.js to align better with your GAM line items and desired CPM buckets. Next, are your Prebid creatives getting disapproved in GAM? Let's find out why. Review GAM's disapproval reasons and then fix it by addressing any issues flagged by GAM. This might involve adjusting the creatives or its settings. Now let's wrap it up with a final issue. Are changes in your Prebid settings or GAM not reflecting on your site? To solve this, ensure that all updates are saved and published, and clear cache if you are using a content delivery network or a caching solution. Then republish any changes, and if you're using a CDN or a caching solution, wait for cache durations to lapse or manually clear them. And there you have it, a complete guide to troubleshoot common Prebid issues with Google Ad Manager. Remember, regular monitoring and adjustments are key to maintaining a healthy ad delivery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy optimizing!